Great. Okay. I'd just like to say thanks to my fellow alumni for all the help with replacing these roofs. It's looking to be a big project, and every penny counts.
Hi alumni, thank you so much for contributing to the campaign this year. You already know that your money goes a long way towards making this community a wonderful, Christ-centered place where we all benefit and grow together.
I want to especially thank those who are giving monthly, because your consistent giving is allowing us to do projects in advance of the campaign, because we know we can count on your gifts. We hope this campaign will inspire more monthly donors, and those of you who give even small one-time gifts, we're grateful for that as well. Every dollar matters. We have a pretty high alumni giving rate, around just under 50%. That's quite high for most schools, but that's a number that does matter. So thank you to all of you for giving, large or small. It makes it all a big difference.
Thank you. You make me smile. Thanks for keeping us dry in class.
Thank you so much, alumni.
Thank you for all your donations, support, and prayers. We really appreciate it.
It means the world to us.
God bless.
Thank you so much, alumni, for your support for this campaign. Your donations and your prayers will definitely be going to good use.
Thank you, alumni.
Thank you, alumni.